everybody, it's Eugenia from Art Melt Tammy, and today we're gonna make something different. I found this picture that I've made a couple of years ago, and I really enjoyed. I liked it, and I remember how much I enjoyed it. But that's with soft pastels. Now, I thought to do something a little bit on the loose side today, based on that kind of setup. So, let's start and see where it's gonna take us today. I don't have a clear view what I'm gonna be doing, so we'll see. First, I'm gonna I'm gonna spray my paper. This paper is I haven't used it before. It's actually mixed media, so I don't know what to expect. I have quite a few different brushes here. This fun brush is it's not really to put water, but because I spray it and it just smear it everywhere. It does a good job. And now what I'm thinking is to start, because I had so much fun yesterday using the credit card scrapers. I thought to do a little bit more today. So let's start it and see where we're gonna end up with this. I'm gonna take some indigo and just looking at my reference painting, kind of somewhere here it is the one level of the rocks, and somewhere somewhere here this is the other level of the rocks. And right close to us there's more rocks. Kind of something like that. So at this point I think I will let it dry. and see with what I will decide to do next. This kind of situation is a little bit, I don't know. I started with the idea that setup of the seascape. Now it has gone completely into different direction than what I thought. I like the colors. I kind of like the way things are moving and all the lines. I will see now how it's gonna dry up because the paper has buckled a lot. So I'm not sure if those paddles will annoy me at the end. So yeah, we will see how things will settle, and we'll decide what's next. But it's kind of an interesting experiment. Something completely loose, something that I've never tried before. Yep, this is my first time. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. So I'm back again. It's all nice and dry now. The paper, it is still a little buckled, but was expected. It's just multimedia paper, so it's it's smooth, and probably that's why it gave me these nice effects. But it is not watercolor paper. Okay, so I can't expect it to be, you know, very good in buckling wise. Anyway, so I'm very happy actually with how it came up. It's yeah, I think it is getting a little bit the feel of the landscape that I have in mind. So now I don't know if I want to touch much of the background of the kind of the land and the water or lake or sea, I'm not sure, and the sky. So if we think that there's something like that, I don't know if I want to put a little horizon. Maybe no, I won't. But I want to put the little guy there that is the fisherman that is fishing, and all the greeneries, the plantation. So I'm gonna have to take some more color from my tubes because it's dried up. I won't take out a lot because I think this is still the magenta is still soft. I'm gonna add a little bit indigo. I like the indigo, but I just realized that it has only 3 stars for light fast wise, and the magenta is even worse, only 2. But the turquoise is full 5 stars, and the red ochre, it's the second time I'm using this paint. I haven't made the chart, and I haven't really looked into them yet. So let's see now. I'm gonna just bring here the close to me the image of the fisherman that is sitting somewhere here. I will still use my little scraper. Yeah, definitely I'm not going to use brush for this painting, just for the sake of saying yes, this painting happened with no brush. Okay, I might gonna have to touch my brush a little bit just for the. Oh no, what did I do here? So there we go.
Hey. Hey.
Okay, there we again. We're continuing. So now we're at the point to add some leaves and straws. Yeah, I think I totally should leave it the way it is. I really like it, and it definitely I shouldn't maybe just finish off a little bit here. That's about it. That's it. Okay, credit plastic card done, and it is time to see what we've done. Wow, clean edge too. After all of these washes, that's fantastic actually. Oops, why is that? It's pretty dry. It's lifting my paper. I did damage a little bit the paper here. Not very noticeable. So I better be careful on the other edges. On the rest of the edges, they look pretty sound. Again, must be the paper. Great. And there we are. Our loose, a very, very loose painting. And I'm being a sunset again. Yeah, we didn't use any brush at all, just colors straight from the tube on the plastic card and with a Spritz bottle. That's all we needed. I'm very happy how it came up, and I actually used 4 colors, but you could get away with 3. Basically the main ones were the magenta, the indigo, and no, the turquoise I didn't use it much, and the red ombre, sorry, red ochre, something reddish, browny reddy you need to find, and that's all. Basically 3 colors. I'm very happy, and hope that you enjoyed it too. If you liked it, please don't forget to put thumbs up and subscribe to join to another artistic adventure very soon. Click the notification button to be in touch all the time, and thank you very much for watching me. See you again at my next video, and till then, be happy and keep painting. Bye for now.